guys, this is a toy that has screws, but it's still safe. So guys, I got this at the restaurant, but I don't know its name. So I think I kind of forgot. So guys, yeah, you have to figure it out on your own in the comments. Guys, you can remove screws. You see, I have this thing. It's like a adjustable Rubik's Cube. Tension. It looks like it, but can I use it with my Rubik's Cube? Well, I don't know. I have to figure it out later. Wait. It was on the other way, isn't it? Yep. Now you can remove the wheels. And then you can also put it back on. Look. You see, you can also put it back on so you don't have to worry about it. And just get a new one for the restaurant. Oh, I think that's not enough. We have to do a type B. Otherwise it's gonna fall off. Okay. Yup. But guys, now I'm gonna do it on my Rubik's Cube. So first I'm gonna grab my speed cube. So guys, this is my speed cube. Ugh, I'm struggling. Oh, yep. Now can I adjust my screws? Ah, this is so... What? I'm gonna try it one more time. Nope, it can't. It's too large. Probably maybe need a Rubik's Cube, adjustable. Oh, I kind of hurt my knee a bit, but that's okay. I didn't get hurt at all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's video, and guys, I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.